About a few months ago, I made a video called My Handy Manny Toys, where I show you these toys that I got from my friend. Eventually, at the end of the video, I tried to show you how I displayed these toys in a race car, but that was only for the shot. I'm going to show you a new way of how I'm going to display my Handy Manny toys in a race car. So, we'll start out with this Handy Manny figure from the Motorcycle Adventures. And this is a race car that's gonna be for the new movie that's coming out. So I first put Manny in this driver's seat to make it look like he's driving. But then started not liking it, and I cropped him on the steering wheel. See? Want to know how I did that? Because, hold on, gotta get the other scene. Want to know how I did that? Well, you see, you see his hands, the shape of his hands. I really like it like that because it's easy for him to crop and on the steering wheel, and to make it look like he's driving. You can also see him in the front of the car. See? Now Manny is driving the race car. And his toolbox, this is a talking toolbox with a few other tools, but the rest I don't have. It comes in this set, but the toolbox, it talks. Well, it's not talking right now because the batteries are pretty old. I might have to change them. But I put the toolbox back here in the trunk, you see, and it fits well enough. The only thing that I'm getting complained about is that the toolbox cannot fit this trunk size, but I'm starting to get used to it by having it like that. So there you go, that's the toolbox. And the flashlight, I actually got a little bit typical problems with it, but it can also talk. Yeah, and then I usually put him next to Manny, but the little problem is, here, let me show you. I'm gonna push this car back so I can show you the problem with it and the flashlight. So yeah, anyways, so watch what happens when I push this car and then the flashlight. Maybe give it a little bit of gas so I can show you the problem. There, you see that? I don't like it how the flashlight is like falling down like that while Manny is driving. So make it look like he had an accident. So I don't think I would like it if the flashlight is in the seat with Manny. So I'm probably gonna have to put him like somewhere else, like maybe the top part, like right here. And see, I think that should work. See, kind of looks like this car has a light now, a light car. See, what do you guys think? You guys like it? Oh yeah, another thing is that I don't expect it for this flashlight to only talk. I also expected for it to turn on like a flashlight, but unfortunately, since it doesn't turn on, well, I'm gonna have him share my lights. This is what I use for my videos. It's really small, so I guess it could work for a flicker. And I guess pretty much all I have for this for now. So yeah, but anyways, so that's how I display my Handy Manny toys. You guys think this is cool? This is a good shot for the new movie. I'm still working on the new Handy Manny movie, and it'll be released in November on YouTube. So if you guys have any questions for the new Handy Manny movie, you can always post it in the comments below. And so yeah. Anyways, this will be good for my thumbnail for this video. But if you guys like it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and also to my original Handy Manny video that I made a few months ago. And so yeah. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.